Hey guys, how are you? Today I have the Boxycharm Premium for the month of December. Yay! I do pay for this with my own money. Last month they were sweet enough to send me one in PR, but this month I lucked out. So last month I actually did give one away, like the extra one that I bought myself, away on Instagram. So definitely follow me on Instagram. I do giveaways over there and kind of interact a lot with you guys. So definitely go follow me down below. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into my unboxing. I always do unboxing and then do the try on portion. So first up is the little card. Where's the card? Is this right here. The theme for all the boxes this month is whimsy. And I really like the fact that now that I'm subscribed to all the boxes, so you guys will see this one, the premium. I have the Boxycharm coming from them soon, the PR one, and I have my Boxy Luxe coming. So I will have videos on all three of them. And all of them will be unboxings and try-ons for you guys because you guys love when I try them on and kind of really give you my thoughts. So first thing in here that I want to show you guys that I'm super excited about is this right here. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. I love Glow Recipe. I love their spray. I've been wanting to try more and more of their skincare. So this is amazing. It's $39. It's supposed to be a glow moisturizer that has all these vitamins. I love the smell of watermelon. I know like some people do not like, you know, they're not down for watermelon. Okay, so I finally got the little sucker out of the box. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. I think it is glass, so I have to be very careful with this. And it does have a pump. I did not try this in the try-on portion just because, to be honest with you, I've been wearing my makeup all day. The only thing that I didn't have on was eyeshadow, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do the try-on for them and just do like the makeup itself. So yeah, so I didn't do any of the skincare, but oh my God. This smells just like their mist. It has that beautiful watermelon smell. So if you don't like watermelon, you might want to gift this forward, but it's just very watery and very moisturizing. It just definitely just seeps into the skin. So I will definitely be adding this to my skincare. I was so sad when I missed out on the pineapple juice one. My mom got it in hers and then I like tried to convince her to give it to me, but she was like, no woman, no. So yeah, so that one's $39. Next thing in here is another skincare. It's from Avant. It's the Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying, oh God, that does not even want to come out. Face and Eye Night Cream. So this is for your face and eyes. It's supposed to be an anti-aging moisturizer, and it's supposed to target your eye area and give hyaluronic acid and help. I'm always about skincare. Holy shit. Oh my God. This is worth $134. It's 1.69 fluid ounces. Who the hell buys $134 like mini moisturizer? What? I'm still like, I'm sorry, like I had opened the box but I hadn't like gone through the card. I just like used the makeup product, so I'm in shock. So let me go ahead and open this super expensive cream. I hope it works wonders on my skin. It better look like a new baby after using this. So it's blue and nice and moisturizing. It does have like a minty kind of smell to it, but nothing like offensive or anything like that. Nothing that I would say like I wouldn't use. And especially for $134, I'm gonna use this baby. I'm gonna use this baby and hopefully it will make miracles across the skin. Hopefully that will work on my skin. And then next thing is the Kat Von D Cake Pencil Liner. This is worth $19 and it comes in a little box like this. It is just a eyeliner, and it is a like one of those like a pencil eyeliner, but that comes up and it is like pitch black. I have never had a eyeliner been so matte and so pitch black, and it goes on the waterline like flawlessly. So you will definitely see that in the try on portion. Next thing in here is this Ciate Confetti highlighter. Where are you? This is the cute little packaging that it comes in, and where did I put it? Oh, Oh, there you are. And look how cute this compact is. So it is mirrored, so you're gonna get prints all over it, and it does have a beautiful mirror, and look how gorgeous. Is that not so beautiful? It has like all these different tones, like a rose gold, a gold, and a white kind of pearl to it. So it has a good mixture, and this is actually the shade that comes out. So that is what it looks like. It comes out like a rose goldish kind of shade, but it's absolutely just stunning. Look at that. So pretty. So that is the highlighter, and then the next thing, and I don't know if I said, that's $32, and then the Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy. I actually was able to choose this. It was between this and another product, I don't remember what it was, and I chose this just because I live for lip masks, especially for like nighttime. This is a hydrating one. It's $22 is actually what I have on my lips. It's super hydrating and really nice, and just more, I don't know, like just has more slip to it. So I really like it, and it smells nice. And then the last thing in here is the Natasha Denona Cranberry palette. This is worth $48, and this is what it looks like. I'm scared to hold it completely upright because you will see in my try on portion, the pans in here are, I don't know if I show it in the try on portion, but the pans in here, I'm going to show you guys, are loose. Like, they're definitely moving around, and I can just tell they are going to pop out. So later on, when I get some time, I'm going to actually just kind of pop them out myself and super glue them down, because I do not think that these are glued down. Yeah, like literally I just try to lift it up and it will come straight up. Like oh, damn, I dented it. Yeah, see, look, oh, they're magnetized. Okay, so they are magnetized, but I just feel like they're not secure in there. So I don't know. They move around a lot, so that's why I was like, oh my God, it's gonna fall out. But they are magnetized, so you don't have to worry about that. Hopefully none of them fall out, but they feel like almost like they're going to fall out. That's how loose they feel in there. So not sure if maybe my magnets aren't working that well, but that's that. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys some swatches of these. I'm just gonna swatch them a little bit on my finger to show you guys, but I have to say, I just don't feel like this is her formulation. You can definitely see that the shimmers don't, I don't know, I just feel like they don't come out as pigmented as usually they do. They're a little bit more subdued than her normal ones are. So just want to put that out there, but these are definitely the 4 shades. Or 5, my bad. I'm going to jump into the try on portion so you guys can see how I did this look. Start off with the Natasha Denona palette. I'm not going to hold it completely parallel because I can tell that one of the pans are kind of loose in there. So I'm going to just do something super simple and a quick look for you guys. So I'm going to go into the red shade, the red matte shade that's in there. So I'm going to go into this matte red that's right here and just apply that all over my crease. And I do have false lashes on that I've been wearing all day, so just excuse them because I am literally going to do this video and then wash all of this off. Okay, the next shade that I'm going to use is the dark matte purple, and apply that to the outer corner of my eye just a little bit. I'm trying not to like get too much shadow on my lashes, but I'm just going to darken that outer corner just a tad bit, just pat it in there. And just to keep on with the kind of pinkish theme, I'm going to go into the Cranberry kind of shimmer, or kind of the Cranberry shimmer shade. And I can definitely see while I'm putting my brush in here that the pans are super loose in there. So when you get yours, definitely be cautious of that, because I feel like a lot of people, their pan is going to fall out if they don't know that. Okay, I did use a natural hair brush and I still feel like the pigmentation is not there. So I'm going to wet my brush a little bit and try it wet. Okay, and then for the inner corner, I'm going in with the lightest gold kind of shade or bronzy shade that's in here. I'm just gonna apply that to the inner corner, just to give it a little bit of a pop. And then for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and use the last shimmer that I've yet to use, which is the middle one, which is that gold one. And just kind of see how this goes on. Okay, so I have to say, overall the look came out nice, but I would have preferred the shimmer that I put all over to just go on dry. So you do have to wet some of these to get them more pigmented. Some of her other palettes have extremely pigmented shimmers, so this one kind of fell a little flat for me. So next thing I'm going to use is this right here. It's the Ciate London Confetti. I took off the highlighter that I had on, and I'm just going to swirl it around and see how this comes out. So let's go ahead and test this baby out. Oh, that's a pretty champagne color. I think this would look really nice on a lot of skin tones just because it's more like a goldy champagne. Do you guys see that? It's super, super pretty. I really think that highlight is super, super pretty. Hopefully it's picking up on camera. The next thing in here that I can try out is the Cake Pencil by Kat Von D, and this is in the shade, what shade is this? Trooper Black. So we'll see how this comes out. I'm gonna put this in my waterline. Oh wow, that is black. That is like a beautiful black matte. Wow, that is super pigmented, super matte, and definitely looks like it's long wearing. Fingers crossed that it is, because I am always looking for a good matte black to go in the waterline that lasts. So hopefully that one will last. And then the last thing that I'm gonna try out is the Bite Beauty, the Nighttime Lip Therapy. I was actually able to pick this out from my box, and this is in Agave. It was between this and something else, I can't remember what it was, that you could pick out, but I absolutely loved the Laneige one, so I was like, I want to try another one. So, and I know a lot of people have like rave reviews about the Bite one. Oh my god, this little thing is so tiny that I can't get it out. Okay, there it goes. And it comes with a little spatula on the top, so you don't have to dip your fingers in, which is nice. And I'm just going to actually use that to... Oh wow, this is nice. I like that it has more slip to it than the Laneige one. The Laneige one is a little bit more stickier and thicker. This one definitely has more of a slip to it, so it is more of a glossier kind of formula, which is really nice. So I will definitely be testing this out. Laneige is like my ride or die because it has saved my lips so many times. So definitely will give this Bite Beauty one a try. And it kind of smells like honey. Yeah, it smells like honey. So this is nice, and the size of it is really nice as well. Okay, for my final thoughts, I have to say, yay! I'm happy. I really, really enjoy this box. I love the fact that nothing that I get here is going to be in my Boxycharm or BoxyLuxe. So I do like it. I see where they were going with this. Like it's a whole nother like subscription on its own. Love, love, love all the brands that they've been working with. Love me some Natasha Denona. I know that a lot of people don't care for Kat Von D anymore, but this pencil really blew my socks off. Just my first impression of it. The Bite lip mask, the Ciate. I mean, every single thing in here I absolutely love and will be using. The only thing that kind of is a little questionable to me is this Avant. I've never heard of this brand, and holy crap, like $134. It just like kind of took me for like a little spin there, but still really nice. I love like trying new skincare and stuff. So everything in here is something that I would try and love. So yeah, so absolutely love it. And yeah, that's all I have to say about that. So thank you guys so much for watching. For subscribing, if not subscribed, hit that little red button down below. Thank you guys for all your support and love. Like this video if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.